Popular actress, now television producer Connie Ferguson has been trending now for the past week, you guys. Now, this comes after over the weekend, actor Presley Chiniyakai was laid to rest, and people basically came in and dragged Connie Ferguson for not being present at Presley Chuniachai's funeral, stating that not even once, not even the memorial service had she, come in to show and pay respect at to pay respect at Presley Chuniachai's memorial or a funeral. People stated that a lot of celebrities were there except for her, and they have said that Connie Ferguson is a bit cold because a lot of celebrities were there for her when her husband Shona Ferguson passed away. They were even at Shona Ferguson's funeral, including Presley Chwinia High. A lot of people basically hopped into the comment section accusing Connie Ferguson of being very cold, heartless, and evil. And just yesterday, she celebrated her 55th birthday. Of course, it was surrounded by her family, her father, and American actor Malik. And those videos with her and Malik have caused and sparked such rumors, dating rumors rather, where people basically came into the comment section to say that Connie Ferguson is probably dating Malik, you guys. As in the pictures which you posted, people were saying that they looked very much cozy. So this guy is a player with a passport, was banging Janet Jackson on that movie, now is up for a Grammy. I hope Malik is only there as a co-star. I remember his 2024 cozy video with Claire Mawisa. And moving swiftly right along, over the weekend, she was grilled to filth on social media for her not making an appearance at Presley Chuniachai's funeral. Social media users, of course, shared what they thought of Connie Ferguson not being present. This blog wrote this and said, "We have noticed Connie Ferguson doesn't attend people's funeral, yet she was supported when her husband passed on." And of course, people had a lot of mixed reactions, you guys. Someone said that Connie Ferguson was probably not there because funerals do trigger her, as she lost her husband not so long ago. And then someone also said that the reason why she was not in attendance was that she was busy with, the premiere of her new show there on Netflix, of course, which she will be starring with American actor Malik. You guys, anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section, and to make sure that you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.